Hey guys, iMAT here. In today's video we have the KKTick Tank T6 smartwatch. It comes with some amazing features like GPS positioning, we have offline maps, 3 ATM waterproof rating and 500 mAh of battery capacity. In this video we'll find out what comes inside its box and we will be taking a quick look on the overall system interface and the features. Let's go ahead and first of all see what's included in the box. So here we have the smartwatch. Let's get it out. So I'm gonna take off the plastic wrap, and here's how the smartwatch looks like. We have screen protector applied on it, and other than the black straps which are attached to the smartwatch, we also get another pair of straps, and it looks quite nice. The color is really nice. I think it's style red color. I really like the shade. And other than that, we have another box, probably with the accessories. We have the user manual right here and the USB-A to 4-pin magnetic charger. So let's turn on the smartwatch. So the smartwatch has now turned on. So since it's a watch, first of all let's try it out on the wrist. And here's how it looks on the wrist. The size is quite reasonable, even though I'm not bulky, I'm quite skinny. But you can see that it looks fine on the wrist. We get an AMOLED display with the always on display option, and the always on display can stay on for the whole day or until the battery runs out. The overall display looks really nice. The glass on the top is of really good quality. Here's a look at the system interface, and if you can see here, we have many options like the flashlight. Unfortunately, it does not have real flashlight like some recent Z Blaze smartwatches. Other than that, we have many amazing features. We get the offline maps option. I'll need to connect it with the application once to download it. Then we have many sports courses also here, not just the sport modes. We get many health and sports related applications here. So if you check out the sports mode, here they are. And if you use the outdoor sports mode, it's going to connect with the GPS first, then it will start. Then if you take a quick look at the watch faces, they're also quite well designed. You can see that they are really good in quality. Obviously in the full review we'll be checking out more watch faces in the dial market, but there are a lot of watch faces inside it and you can obviously install more from the dial market. So this was a quick look on the KKTick Tank T6. I'll be testing it in the coming days, testing the sleep tracker, the pedometer, oximeter and all of the other sensors inside it. So if you're interested, make sure to hit the subscribe button on this channel as well as on iMAT Gadgets, where you can find the full review hopefully in the coming week. So I hope to see you there.